Good morning, welcome to day 2 here. So yesterday we travelled around the north part of the island. Today we're going to be heading south to the Amarador area, so the beaches. Can't wait for that. But look at this area, it's absolutely stunning, isn't it? This is what we woke up to today, to sunrise. You can see ferry just coming in over there at the top. So this whole area around Alcudia is absolutely gorgeous. Some of the places we saw yesterday, absolutely breathtaking, probably never to be replicated again, but I want to try and get some beach shots as well on this trip, so that's where we're heading to now. So let's get in the car, let's drive south. It's about an hour south in the car, and then we're travelling back later on tonight, so a lot to do today. Alright, I'm now at the beach. It's Amarador, I think it's called. It's at the southern part of the island. It's meant to be one of the best beaches here. I've got the Mini 3 Pro packed. Let's get down this little path, get away to the beach, and let's see just how good it is. Okay, so I've made it. This is one stunning beach. Just take a look at this. So you can see in the distance over there, it's got the main Amarador beach. And in this bay, there's another beach over there. And then a cliff edge, some yachts. The water's literally like teal. And then on this platform here, there's a watchtower just to the side of it, where you can get some fantastic views from up here. And it seems an obvious place of where I can go and just fly the DJI Mini 3 from here and take some shots before it gets too busy. Look at this. So quite a few people have been asking me as well, what setup am I using while here? So I'm just using the Sony ZV-1, but it's on this Joby Gorillapod tripod, which is great because the legs can just attach and just clamp onto anything, so it's perfect when you're on your own traveling, something minimalistic like this, and then a Rode microphone on the top. If you're interested in any of this equipment I'm using for here, I'll put it all in the description below for you. But now, let's get the Mini 3 in this stunning location. Oh, by the way, not charged the remote yet from yesterday, all that flying, still on 3 bars. Brilliant. I never thought hiring a car would be such a great idea as it was. Enable me to get to these locations on this island. We normally just go to the hotel and stay in that area. So hiring a car was fantastic. So we've seen some fantastic landscapes, we've seen the watchtowers, we've now seen the beaches. This area, I just absolutely love it. So the plan now is I've just done some filming this morning. Not really got a lot on now. We've ticked off those things on the map. So I'm going to go and do a bit of chilling, have a beer, have a bit of a rest, and then head back to the airport later on via the coast and see what else I can come across. If you see anything decent, I'll film that as well. See you all in a minute. Alright, so a well-deserved chill there. What a fantastic area that is. So if you're looking for somewhere with beaches but not as busy as, say, Alcudia, then this is fantastic because it's made up of all these different coves. You have lots of choices of the different beaches that you could then go to. It doesn't get too busy. It's a fantastic place and it's stunning, really like teal water, absolutely brilliant. So en route now towards Palma, but on the way there I have seen this location when I was sat chilling called Pontas. I might have pronounced that wrong again. It seems to be this really large rock just off the island with a big gap in the middle of it, so hopefully be able to fly the drone through there. So that'll probably be the last location I film in, so let's get there now and I'll see you there. So I've arrived at the location, Pontas. There seems to be a lot of private homes here. It's only about 15-minute drive from the last location, those beaches where I was at. So apparently it's just around this corner. I'll see you there. So here's the rock just in the distance there behind me. What an absolute stunning area as well. I think I've done it to every single area that I've been to. I don't know if I'm going to fly the drone through that gap though, because there's a lot of birds flying around. I'm certainly going to fly the drone around this area. Let's get the drone in the air. Well, another beautiful location. So I think this is probably going to be the final one. Now I'm going to head back to Palma, so I'm not going to be able to fly in that area because of the airport. But thanks so much for watching this, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog and also the different locations that I went to. I'll put them all in the description below if you want to go and check them out yourself. But the Mini 3 Pro did absolutely fantastic. I wanted to take it here to some challenging environments to see how it handled it in bright conditions as well, and the drone handled it absolutely fine with some spectacular footage, I hope you'll agree. And the DJI RC in really bright conditions worked brilliantly, and I've not even had to charge it at all. On the way towards Palma, I wanted to visit a beach resort I haven't been to before, SRNL. This is a really popular place, but it's too close to the airport to fly a drone. I was jealous though seeing all these people sunbathing, so I bought a 4-euro beach towel. I used the DJI Fly More kit as a pillow, got a McDonald's and chilled here before heading to the airport. I set off on this trip with the intention to find out if this DJI Mini 3 Pro was a perfect travel drone, and maybe now the only drone you need for most people. It's not going to be as fun as DJI FPV drone, it's not going to have the camera and zoom performance of a Mavic 3, but for literally every other occasion, this ticks the boxes. The size of the drone means that you can travel around with ease, take LiPo bags with you for the batteries at the airport, and you will sail through. The camera being an f1.7 is perfect now for low light. The HDR video gives boost in the quality of the image, they pop more, and this is all done without ND filters. You now have vertical video for social media without needing to crop, 48 megapixel photos in RAW allowing you to color grade and crop in without losing quality.
On the first day, all my flight and footage up to the hotel was on one battery, charging it on my car charger, limiting myself to getting key shots on the fly as I was limited to that battery life. However, with that pressure, the drone still performed brilliantly and I was super happy with the results. I wanted to try something new, a vlog style, testing this drone to its limits in a new location which was windy and challenging, and I am so appreciative for the feedback that you guys have given me. So, should I do more of these? But thanks so much for watching this video and the first part. Please comment down below what you think. I hope you want to see more of these, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.